Have you ever thought about starting your own YouTube channel? Pondered over the idea of sharing your unique perspective with the world? If so, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the step-by-step process of creating your own YouTube channel. Let's begin with the first step, creating a Google account. If you already have one, great. If not, head to the Google homepage and click on Sign Up. Follow the instructions, fill in the necessary details, and voila, you own a Google account. The second step is to log into YouTube using your shiny new Google account. Once you're in, look for the user icon at the top right corner of the screen and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. Select your channel. A prompt will appear asking for your name. Here, you can choose to use your name or create a custom name for your channel. Now, on to the third step, customizing your channel. Click on Customize Channel on your channel homepage. Here, you can add a channel art, change the layout, add a description about your channel, and much more. Remember, your channel art and description are the first things viewers see, so make sure they are captivating and tell your story effectively. The fourth step is to upload your first video. Click on the Create a Video or Post button, then select Upload Video. Choose a video file from your device, and while it's uploading, you can add a title, description, and tags. These are crucial for people to find your video. The fifth step is to promote your video. Share it on your social media platforms with your friends, family, and anyone you think might be interested. The more you promote, the more visibility your video gets. And the final step, the sixth one, is to engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and make your viewers feel valued. Building a community around your channel is key to its growth. Now that we've covered the steps, let's recap. 1. Create a Google account. 1. Log into YouTube and create your channel. 3. Customize your channel. 1. Upload your first video. 5. Promote your video. 1. Engage with your audience. Remember, the journey of creating a successful YouTube channel is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience, consistency, and engaging content are your best allies. So what's stopping you? It's time to share your voice with the world.